BluthLine Tech Studios.
Yo, what's up guys, what's going on? Here's BluthLine Tech. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I screen record my videos so you can help yourself if you need it. So the first thing I do is I make sure my phone is put to silent mode, and after that I will turn on my do not disturb. So you can do this by asking Siri, or you can also do it in the control center. So now I am on page 1 and I want to make a video about settings. My settings is on page 2. So what I do is I'll go on the slider and set it to page 2.
Search, page 1 of 4, adjustable. Activate to open spotlight. Swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value.
So
Page 2 of 4, wallet, voices, comma, primary voice. Selected.
After that, I'll open my control center.
Control center.
And I'll make sure my brightness is set to 80% so that what I'm doing on my screen could be seen clearly. That's what I do.
Test screen brightness 80%. Adjustable actions. Activate.
So it's on 80%. I'm going to leave it like that, and it's also because of I don't know how bright the screen is. So after that, I will just make sure my do not disturb is really turned on.
Focus, do not disturb button.
Yes, focus, do not disturb. And I will scroll down and look for screen recording.
Screen recording button. Double tap and hold to show more controls.
So right here, screen recording is selected because I am using it right now. So the next thing I do is I'm just going to open the more controls by swiping up.
Open controls. Everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded. Enable do not disturb to prevent unexpected notifications.
So that's why I turn my screen recording on, and after that I'll make sure my microphone is also turned on.
Microphone on button.
Here is turned on. So what I'll do now is I'll close the control and I'll double tap on screen recording to start it. So what I'll do here is in the 3 seconds, so what happens is when I tap on that, it will start counting down 3 to 1, and what I'll do is I'll just swipe up and just close my control center completely so that I can set on my home screen instead of my control center.
Edit controls. Wallet. Characters.
So after that, I can just record my videos without having any difficulties. Yeah, let me know if I was able to help you out, and I hope so, because I'll see you guys in the next video. So I'm sorry I'm not posting a lot lately because of school and whatever, but I'll try my best to stay consistent. Peace out.
Subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications.